This one is all for your ski crazy fanatic people, or not fanatic, but for your ski lovers. How to protect your skin when you're up there skiing. It's super important. Winter is a great time to stay active despite the cold. And being outdoors is really good for your body, mind, and soul. And a lot of people love skiing, but due to the high altitude and the low humidity in the mountains, it's important to protect your skin while you're up there having fun. And I gathering for you some really important tips that will help your skin not to dry out so much as it usually when you are in these kind of activities, and keep it glow behind all these masks and stuff. Number one, moisturize like it's your job. Moisture. If you don't moisturize before you hit the slopes, you regret it when you're trying to repair dry, tight skin. Often when skin becomes so dry, it gets to be like so irritating and flaking and redness and cracking. So, and in this point, it's like too late. It's never too late, but it's better to why get to this point? Like you can avoid it. Like preventing is better than trying to fix. So moisturizing long before you hit the slopes is a good idea, and pick moisturizer that's more heavy, that's more rich for this activity. I can recommend you the ultra rich face cream, which is a day and night face cream that is like its name, it's super rich. Second tip, hydrate from within. So moisturizing of your skin outside, super important, but hydrate from the inside, it's also just as crucial. I'm a big proponent of drinking lots of water throughout the day, and I always have like this bottle of water in my car, and I do like, it's a big one, so I know I drink at least 2 of them, so it's like 3 liters at least. When you are in high altitude, low moisture environment, it's even more important to get lots of fluid, but it's also very easy to forget maybe when you're having a blast on the snow. Daily hydration will help you to plump up your skin, especially in the dry outside or indoor heat. In the cold weather, you may not feel as thirsty as usual. However, it's really vital to not forget that. What I like personally to do is every morning, because I drink my lemon water, half lemon in water, I take the other half of the lemon, I use the slices in my bottle and add some warm water, also some slices of orange. It's tasty, it's nice, and I drink like 2 of these. So that's my tip. Next tip, sunscreen. Again, like it's your job every day of the year, all the time. It's the base of anti-aging. Like you heard me talking about sunscreen before, but I want to take a moment and remind you how, like maybe in contradiction to a lot of popular belief, sunscreen isn't just for these hot summer days. In fact, the sunlight reflects off snow and multiple the effect of the UV rays on your skin. Even with like all this cold cover, this nasty, your precious cells. So daily sunscreen, at least 30 SPF is a must. And with dry, cold air, your skin will benefit from moisturizing broad spectrum sunscreen. So go up to 50. That has antioxidant and skin booster, and you always want to take a mineral sunscreen because it doesn't have all the nasty stuff inside of it. Next tip, vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great actor in the anti-aging routine. It will combat the free radicals from UV exposure. That means your skin is getting a boost to help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and improve overall skin health. So you can take supplements, they're good, and you can just enjoy the winter with the citrus fruits, you know, like all these oranges and mandarin and lemon, whatever you like. keep them on. Your skin will love it. Another one, protect your eyes from the cold and the snow. Don't forget your precious eyes. Due to the bright light, the radiant of the snow, many skis, as people who do ski, wear protective goggles or sunglasses to reduce brightness. I like to adding the benefits of reducing wrinkles, of course. So you can use eye cream on a base of gel that will hydrate your skin, will save it from getting too dry here, too patchy under the eyes. And again, you probably do, but sunglasses or goggles or whatever you use to protect your eyes. So go enjoy your ski, and I hope you will use this super easy, I think, to achieve tips, and so you don't regret after your holiday that you didn't take care of your skin.